Assalamualaikum my dear students, all of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Abir Khan, teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take mathematics class for class 1 and our today's topic is descending order, which is lecture 5 and HW number 5. You have to submit your HW on your school campus at next Saturday. Now let's go to start our class. Today we will learn descending order. Descending order. That means we have to arrange some numbers as largest to smallest. Look here D is the largest and G is the smallest. So we have to arrange some numbers as largest to smallest order. Suppose if I write here 17, if I write here 8 and if I write here 2. Look here 17 is the largest number. So you have to write 17 first. Then you have to find which one is the largest between the rest of numbers. That means 8 and 2. Here 8 is the largest and 2 is the smallest number here. So to arrange some numbers as descending order, first of all you have to find out the largest number. Then you have to find again the largest number among the rest of numbers, and finally continue this process. You will write the smallest number. Now here is the question. Arrange the following numbers. Arrange the following numbers. Arrange the following numbers as descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Question number A is first number 828, 995, 200, 779, and the last one is 100. Now look here. First of all you have to find out which one is the largest number. Look here is 800, here is 900, here is 200, here is 700, and here is 100. Among them 900 is the largest here. So first of all we have to write here 995 as a largest number. Then which one is the largest among the rest of numbers? Here is 800, here is 200, here is 700, and here is 100. Obviously 800 is the largest among them, so we have to write here 828. Then which one? 200, 700 or 100? 700 is the largest among them, so it will be 779. Now here is 200 and 100. 200 is the largest, so here it will be 200, and the rest of number is 100, which is the smallest number. So we have arranged these numbers as descending order, that means from larger to smaller. Now question number B. 576, 1000, 800, 920, and 120. We have to arrange these numbers as descending order. So find out which one is the largest. This is 3-digit numbers, this is 3-digit numbers, this is 3-digit numbers, this is also 3-digit number. But look here is 1000, which contains 4 digits. That means This one is the largest number. So first of all, we have to write the 4-digit numbers 1000 here as a largest number. Then here is 500, here is 800, here is 900, and here is 100. Which 100 is the greatest here among them? 5, 8, 9, 1. So 920 is the greatest here. Then which one? 800, 500 and 100. So here 800 is the greatest number here. Then here is 576 and here is 120. So 576 is the largest here and the rest of number is 120, which is the smallest number. So we have arranged these numbers as largest to smallest, that means descending order. Hope you understood this one. Now my dear students, you have to arrange or you have to submit your HW on your school campus. Question is $750, 100, 320, 825 and 220. You have to submit this one as ascending order at your school campus. My dear students, hope you understood how can we arrange some numbers as descending order. Practice it at your home more and more. Take care of yourself. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.